For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description.
Alright, so you can see my laptop here, it's not working, and unfortunately, I don't know what's wrong, but I'm going to attempt to fix it today, so I'm going to turn on the power button here, see what happens. So it turns on there, fans is spinning. Alright, got no display. So I'll be attempting to fix this today. See, so it's power cycling. So my suspicion is it's the RAM, so I'm gonna attempt to take the RAM out today and see if it's that. But if it's not that, then I'm not really too sure what it'll be. But let's go ahead and try to fix this guy up. So yeah, I'll keep you guys there, and we'll see what happens. So pull out the battery. Okay, so missing one screw here already, and it's going to need to be replaced, so one put back in. It's not really too sure what size screw these are, but let's go ahead and show you guys here. There we go. So that seems to work. That is PH00 if you guys are using the same laptop. Okay, so what we do have here is an extra piece of RAM, so what I will do is I will take one out, so that, see if it will power on. Let's flip this around here and see what happens. Okay. So got one piece stick of RAM out, and let's see what's going on here. So plug it in, just plug in the laptop. Alright. And let's see what happens. Cool. So it's just a piece of RAM acting up, okay? Wow, alright. So that was a stick of 4 gigs of RAM, and it didn't seem to like it. So I was on 12, but I'm on 8 now. That's a very quick fix. Okay, it's fully working again. And I think we're all good from here, but we'll do some other checks, and I gotta add some more screws back into this laptop. Just to see if, yeah, wow, okay, it's working. I expected this to be a longer video, but I think it's working, so that's good for uni. Won't be needing a new laptop. But it looks like the power cycling was due to a bad stick of RAM. I will look for some more DDR3 and see. I'll try to actually reseat it now and see if that works, but if it doesn't, then I suspect it's just a RAM. It's taking a little while to log in though. Okay, so seems to be all good, in good order. I haven't been in on this laptop in a long time. Probably been about 2 months that I haven't fixed it. Okay. This audio is disabled, so that's okay. Seems to be opening everything up. Alright, so yeah, it's actually kept my tabs for so long. So I'm gonna shut this down. Okay, everything seems there. Let's check. Let's check here. So 8 gigs of RAM is actually showing up here. DDR3, and yeah, I mean, it seems to be okay now, but I'm not really sure. It seems likely that this stick of RAM is probably just bad. I added it myself not too long ago. It was from another laptop, but we'll see what happens. Let's shut it down and let's try it again. We'll try to reseat the RAM in the laptop and see what happens. Oops, that was bad. Didn't wait till it turned off properly. Let's see if it power cycles. Okay, so it started up again, and I suspect that the RAM was not seated correctly. Maybe guessing please wait for some reason. Not sure why. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Probably do recovery or something. It is touchscreen too. I've actually got an extended battery for it, so it's over here. You guys can't see that. There you go. It's pretty cool as well. I don't know. Maybe the RAM wasn't seated correctly. Seems to be okay now. Maybe I just needed a reset on the RAM. Might just take it up for precautionary measures in the future, but I don't really understand what's going on right now, to be honest. This is a long load time to have to say that. For this laptop, it's usually pretty quick. I'm pretty happy that this laptop's still working because I didn't really want to get a new laptop my last year of uni. And yeah, I mean, it is working now. Cool, so I do need a laptop for uni and it is working now, so pretty happy with that. This laptop is really nice. Had it for a while now. I'm just, yeah, I've always been really happy with this laptop. If I didn't get this, I got this laptop about 1 month after my desktop was given to me, so it's really nice. So it looks like 12 gigs of RAM is being on 9.3 is available, and 12 is showing up here. So yeah, it seems to be working. It says 2 out of 4 slots to use, so there's no other slots on this laptop. It's just 2 that you have a module of this. So I don't know, but it seems to be working overall. But I think that sums up the video for now. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you can check out ystech.org for the latest post reviews and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.